What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So if you guys happen to have a PlayStation Portal, I'm going to show you guys in this video the accessories that you will have to get for your PlayStation, because your PlayStation don't really come with any other accessories other than the PlayStation inside and the cable. So you might need to buy a case for your PlayStation if you want to transport it around, just to protect it for any dirt or anything like that. So in today's video, we're going to check out this right here, which is a 3-in-1 accessories kit for your PlayStation Portal. Now it basically comes in this, and it's a case which is going to protect your PlayStation. So we have a screen inside and so forth. So I'm just going to unbox it, let you guys see what's inside of this packaging right here. So right out the back, we have the case right here itself, and the case looks something like this, looking very neat and easily to transport around. You can see right here the size, it's just the same size as the PlayStation Portal. I'm going to show you guys what's inside. So inside the PlayStation Portal, you can see we have a bit part right here we can use to transport it around, looking really neat. Up to the top right here, we have some screen protectors. So you will need a screen protector to protect your PSP, and these are some screen protectors which I'm going to install in this video as well. And right here you can see we have the case right here, and this is made from rubber, so if you like a rubber material which can go over your PSP. I'm going to show you guys as well. We have a case right here which you can store like your cards and so forth. So we have more space up here for storage, like you want to store other stuff right up here, some other accessories. So I'm going to install them right now, let you guys see how it actually looks. So right here, as you can see guys, I have my PlayStation Portal right here, and you can see on the screen already I did manage to smudge it up. Now what I recommend before installing the case onto it right here, I would advise that you can install the screen protector first. So what I'm going to do in this video right here, I'm going to install the screen protector first on it. And inside right here, you guys can see we have 2 screen protector inside, which I'm going to install one for this video, show you guys. Also we have some cleaning tools as well, which I'm going to use for the installation process. We can observe those right there. This is the wipes. You can see my screen right now is very dirty. I'm going to apply these. And this wipe says wet. And then we have a fiber cloth as well inside, which can use to dry this right here. That is clean. I'm going to absorb now some of the dust from the screen. So this is basically a 3-in-1 accessories as it suggests. So we have the screen protector, we have the case, and we have the silicone rubber cover on it inside. So that's all we got in the package. I'm going to try to install my screen protector on it right now, and it looks something like this. As you can see guys, I have managed to install the screen protector so far. So it basically 99% accurate. I got a bit of smudges, just a little part on the screen there, but there's nothing too much to worry about. Now I'm going to install my rubber ray grip onto it right now. So we can just place it onto it like so. I want to install like one piece first. So as you can see guys, I have now installed my case right here. Now this case fit perfectly on it. It kind of feel a bit swaggy right here to the controller when you're holding it like so, but it do hold firm on this right here. In terms of the screen right here, it do protect it, so if it might drop on these edges, it will protect it. Also with the screen protector on it right here, and it protects it really right around. But one thing though is that whenever I'm using a case like this, now the light which is on the controller which goes around right here will not show. So if you're using the case on it like this, I will recommend you guys to turn off the light on it, which gonna eventually save battery life. And also because it's not really visible right here, as you can see, it really makes sense to actually turn it off. Now once you install a case like this, I love the fact that we have these little port right here. You can still have access to this port, and to the side right here, and to the bottom as well, with access to this port. And whenever you're transporting your game, you can always put it back into the case right here, which seals well right in here. And I can put things like my charging cable behind this little part right here, just right in place. Sits well, and you can just cover that right here. And some other accessories, I can just put them right inside here that I'm not using, just for transportation, and sit well right here. That's something that is great. But for me, it fits really perfect. Actually try to protect your case from dirt or anything like that. Really work well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this.